Yeah. भी नहीं है यहाँ तो। हमारे अलावा तो कोई भी नहीं है। वेजिटेरियन के लिए सब चीज़ है यहाँ पर। वेजिटेरियन जो था उसके लिए सब चीज़ है।
You will follow me. Even the one who is behind is going to follow the one in front of himself or herself. Okay, please. So always keep the group in your side, because what I worry in Old Town. Old Town is an interesting place, nice place. Old Town, yes, it means the first settlement in Antalya was there. Of course, this area, the hotel you stay, downtown. The area is downtown, but just a part of downtown is Old Town. And in Old Town we have a lot of narrow streets. Sometimes it might be easy to get lost if you turn around, make another way. So you're going to follow the group always, and there are a lot of stores. Sometimes people wanna have a look, or even window shopping, let's say. So always keep the group in your side. So okay, everybody. Our Old Town excursion will start. So now we will stop our coach. This is the place only 50 meters from. So we will get off the coach as much as quickly, as possible. So don't forget the things necessary for you, but the heavy things you can leave in the coach. Okay, this is the place. Let's go for Old Town excursion.
Yes, hurry up.
But a few places I will explain about Old Town, about Antalya also. So now just follow me, please.
दिन का अलग व्यू है।
हाँ आज बिल्कुल दिन का
यहाँ
अलग।
से बोट राइड पे जाएंगे ना।
अच्छा अभी बस डायरेक्ट बोट राइड पे जाएंगे। किला वो अच्छा वो अलग जगह है, कलाची जो है अलग जगह है।
वालेकुम नाज़रीन, कैसे हैं सब? खैरियत से हैं। इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं जी तुर्की का शहर अंतालिया में और बहुत प्यारा वेदर है। आप गाहे बगाए हमारी सारी मूवमेंट से आगाह हैं। पीछे आपको समुंदर नज़र आ रहा है।
So, okay, everybody, this is Antalya, the fifth biggest city in Turkey. And, you know, Istanbul is the biggest already. I think you have idea about the general things about Turkey, maybe the population, etc. So I will talk only about Antalya, fifth biggest city with a population of 2 million, a little bit more than 2 million. For Antalya, the most important thing is, or one of them is tourism. The second one is agriculture. And this is already November, that means end of season. So wherever we go, you will see that less tourists. But if you come to same Antalya in August, let's say, or also June, also July, also August, September, even the first half of October, full of tourists, especially those Russian-speaking countries. But November, still nice weather, really nice compared to summer. You know, in summer, June, July, August, very humid, very wet. But today, compared to other part of Turkey, we still warm, nice November day for Antalya, fifth biggest city, as I told you. By the way, this is downtown. Still, we are out of Old Town, but of course, downtown, the area, you see that the flag and the statue, around the square, we say Cumhuriyet Square. Yes.
Jamhuriyat, you have Jamhuriyat.
Yes, we have Cumhuriyet. We are still a republic country. So we will walk this way to get closer to that minaret. So from that point, it will start Old Town, let's say. Yes, Old City. But when I say Old City, actually, I'm talking about a few things. First, I'm talking about the first settlement. Imagine there are buildings now, of course, but imagine there was nothing, only jungle. And down over there, there is a natural harbor, one king. I'm talking about BC, I'm talking about old days, I'm talking about, let's say briefly, Greek period, before Rome, before Roman Empire. I'm talking about 2300 around BC. So there was a kingdom, Pergamon kingdom, and there was a king, Antalya II or Attalos II. So that Antalya, the king, saw the area and understood that that's a good place to build a city around harbor. So he gave an order to build a city here, or let's say we are going to see later. The first name of the city also the same with the name of king, which was Antalya. Then it became Antalya, Adalya, Antalya. So today Antalya, but originally it was Antalya. Yes, today it is Antalya. And of course there is Pergamon kingdom. And then in the area, whole area, we have a new another era, which is Roman Empire. Roman Empire. And then we have another one, Byzantine. After Byzantine, we can see Turkish groups, tribes, let's say, or small sultanates or kingdoms in Turkey. At the beginning, it was Selçuk Turks, then Ottoman Turks, and today Turkish Republic. Not for only Antalya, but for in general, I can say for whole Turkey. This is the order of history. Let's say there was Greek period, then Romans, then Byzantine, and then in general Turkish period with Selçuk Turks or Ottoman Turks. But Roman, they were pagan. Were believing many gods and goddesses like Greek mythology, Zeus, blah blah, many gods and goddesses.
Romans, right?
Greeks and Romans as well. No, Romans as well. Romans as well. Only the names of the gods and goddesses were maybe different in Roman era, but the same religion I can say. But in Byzantine period, we see a new religion in the area, which is Christianity.
Okay.
For example, in 330s, in Constantinople, there was an emperor to Roman Empire who was Constantine the Great. He, of course, by influence of his mother, he decided the religion as official religion, Christianity. But then when the Turks came, we see another religion, which is Islam. So maybe in Old Town also you are going to see a few things from, let's say, Roman period, a few things from, actually it doesn't remain a lot, but from Roman period as well, then from Turkish period, whether it is Selçuk Turks or Ottoman Turks. For example, this is the minaret. We will walk nearby the minaret. So then it means Old Town. As I told you, in Old Town, we will walk by the minaret. We will walk that narrow streets down until the harbor. And in the harbor, I will arrange the boat. We will have 1 hour boat trip. We'll sail out, let's say, this direction.
Wow.
30 minutes we will go and we'll come back the same way. So the streets are narrow. You will follow me, please.
Okay.
And I know, everybody, especially ladies, wanna see many things because especially that part of Old Town until the harbor, full of stores. By the way, when I say Old Town, as I told you, the first settlement, but also you are going to see many those buildings. You see, all of them today they use for business, like some of them shops, stores, especially the other part of Old Town. Those buildings are, those houses are today boutique hotels, club, restaurant, bar. So in or around 1970s, when tourism became important for Antalya, also became a destination for tourists. At that time, of course, we are talking about 50 years ago, so there was not many hotel or option to stay. So especially people, 70s, 80s, tourists from Europe stay in Old Town or around Old Town. So the government and the municipality decided to protect the area. So maybe around 1970s, people were living here, normal local people. But one by one, they sold their houses. So today, almost 99% the houses are used for business. So you will see them. But please, okay, you wanna maybe you wanna look around, but always will follow me and keep me in your side, or the people in front of you.
वहाँ पर काफ़ी चीज़ें घूमने फिरने हैं।
At that time, they were Selçuk Turks. They built mosques here a lot. Sometimes they converted churches into the mosque, or they sometimes build a new mosque.
Not a chair, uncle.
हाँ क्यों क्यों क्या हो गया?
सर बड़ी कोई रियलिटी के करीब करीब है।
हैं? नहीं तंग नहीं करे।
बहुत नेचुरल है, बिल्कुल ओरिजिनल है।